And welcome back to the crypto channel. And tonight I want to go over a fantastic chart. I started this the other day with you guys. Grayscale Bitcoin Cash Trust. Traded on the stock market and it is on fire. I'm telling you, that is one hot trust. And if you don't know about it, you should know about it. Not financial advice. So let's get into that chart. All right, guys. So this is Grayscale Bitcoin Cash Trust weekly chart. The weekly chart here. So we'll give you an overview. Came out in around August 2020, crashed down, went up here, and then we've been going down, down, down until lately. So let's zoom in here and we'll go on the day chart. All right, bam. You see that? Past couple of days. I did a video, well, my last video I put out, I talked about this, and check it out the other day, literally trading at 88 cents. And today it went up to $1.81. When these things decide to pump up, they can go crazy. And I told you guys I got into this one at about $5. So yeah, I'm in a losing position. I've been waiting. I've been patient with it. And I only regret not buying more. But I can't have everything, unfortunately. So we'll see how this goes. I'll tell you the story about it. Before I got into this one, I was into another one. It was Ethereum Classic ETF. And I did a video on that a long time ago. And I got in at $20, and before I knew it, it dumped down to $10, and I was like, oh my gosh. Well, I said I'm just gonna hold, and it went to $30 a share, and I was like, well, okay, I'm selling. That's $20 to 30, that's 50% profit. Well, oh my gosh, the next day I think it went up to $100 per share. $100 a share. I was like, whoa, I think I'm onto something. I wasn't mad that I sold out early. In fact, I saw it as opportunity.
I've got an idea!
This stuff could be very, very interesting. And it's traded on the stock exchange. I said, there could be something to it. So I jumped into this one eventually. And of course, the trend's your friend. The whole market, went down the past year and a half. And well, we're picking up now. So we'll see what happens with this. The same thing could happen again. Maybe my $5, per share of these trusts will go up and try to break the all-time high of $60. Who knows? That's what I'm hoping for. Honestly, I don't put a lot of money into these things. I put money in that I can afford to lose. And that's exactly how I think everybody should trade. Only invest what you can afford to lose, because let's face it, losing money isn't fun. And a lot of us has been into a lot of losing positions over the past year. And we've been like, oh my gosh, will it ever turn around? Well, yes, things are turning around. They have been turning around. Some things will do worse than others because of the SEC and their clampdowns. But there's other things that I think are going to take off, and I hope I'm going to be into something that really takes off. So that would be fun. That would be a change. and yeah, so none of this is financial advice. The ticker on this is BCHG. So Grayscale Bitcoin Cash Trust. You can look it up. And it also says BCH. Hit that like, subscribe, and check out my other video about it that I just put out the other day. I will put it up here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.